In the skills exercise, we'll set up repository-wide custom instructions, create targeted custom instructions for specific file types and directories, build reusable prompt templates for common tasks like homework assignments, and configure custom agents for specialized workflows. Now let's clone the exercise from the skills organization. I'll copy it to my GitHub handle and take the default name and description. I'll wait for the repository to be created. Once it's created, there's an action that runs in the background, and I'll wait until it says go to exercise so I know I'm ready to begin. As you can see, we have a nice issue that has all the steps and activities we'll need to go through for this exercise. The first activity will be creating a code space. I'll wait for the code space to be created, and then I can get started with all of the activities that are left in this step. Now we can get started on creating our first Copilot instruction in the .github directory, and it has to be named Copilot instructions.markdown or .md. We'll copy these custom instructions into this file. Now let's leverage this custom instruction that we created. We'll go into the chat window. I'll go into Ask mode, and I'll also make sure I have the GPT-4o model. As you can see, we're highlighted the custom instruction at the top. Let's make sure. As you can see, it's one of the references. We're happy with these custom Copilot instructions, and we can commit with a nice custom message from Copilot and push it to our branch. We'll wait for feedback from GitHub Actions to make sure we've completed the step correctly, and now we're ready to go on to step 2, which is applying custom instructions to certain files and directories. We'll create this new file in the .github/instructions directory. This new custom instructions file only applies to the markdown files in our assignments directory and subdirectories, as you can see in the snippet. Let's paste that in the file, and you can see at the top the same thing. Now we can use this to give Copilot the context to make sure that all of our assignments are consistent and are following our guidelines. Now let's leverage these new instructions by putting the chat in agent mode and updating the assignment for the Games in Python README. As you can see now, it's following the consistency of our other assignments and sticking to the custom instructions, what we gave Copilot. Once we're happy with the README for the Games in Python assignment and our custom instruction that we've created, we can now check these in. We'll have Copilot write a commit message for us and push these changes up to our branch. And now we'll wait for feedback from the GitHub action once it's been checked in. As you can see, we've succeeded in this step, and we're ready to move on to step 3 and follow our next set of activities. In this step, we'll create reusable prompts. Our first prompt will be creating a new assignment. So we'll put this in the .github/prompts directory. We'll be using agent mode. We have a description and argument hint as well. This will be used for our consistency for creating new homework programming assignments. Again, I'm still in GPT-4o model, but obviously you can change that to whatever model you'd like to use. I'm going to pick a topic of working with strings, file I/O, and text manipulation. As you can see, I have now a / command for my new prompt called /new assignment, and I'm going to ask it to create this new homework programming assignment, which focuses on Python text processing, working with strings, file I/O, and text manipulation. And just like that, it's created a whole new directory with a new README and also updated our config. Now we have a new homework assignment added to our catalog that we could commit via Copilot message and then push to our default branch. Once that's done, we'll wait for feedback from the GitHub Actions and see that we've succeeded all of the activities for that step. Now we're ready to go on to step 4, where we'll create some custom agents. This one is going to be an assignment brainstorming agent for new homework exercises. As you can see too, We have a name, a description, and the tools we'll use by using this agent. I'll copy and paste this into the .github/agents directory. And now I'm also going to switch to using that new agent that we just created called assignment brainstorming. And we can select that from the dropdown. Instead of selecting agent or ask mode, we'll select that agent. And now we'll ask it some questions to do some research. So here it did a quick scan of all the exercises that we currently have, and then give us some suggestions on new ones that we can create. So we asked it to suggest 3 advanced Python activities. And as you can see, these are some features that are in the custom agent for us. Once we're happy with that, we can now have Copilot create a commit message, commit the file, and then push the changes to our default branch. Once again, we'll wait for GitHub Actions to confirm that we've completed this step, and we're at the end of our skills exercise. We'll reload and we could see we completed everything, all of the steps. We have a nice review and a congratulations, as well as the issue being closed, marking our completion.